Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every small business owner out there: cybersecurity. With the rise in cyber threats, it's more important than ever to protect your business from potential attacks. So, let's explore 5 essential cybersecurity practices every small business should implement. First up is multi factor authentication, or MFA for short. This is a simple yet powerful way to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Instead of just relying on a password, MFA requires a second form of verification, like a text message or a biometric scan. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access. Make sure to enable MFA on all your critical business accounts. Next, let's talk about keeping your software up to date. Cybercriminals often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software. By regularly updating your operating systems and applications, you not only enhance performance but also patch security gaps, set reminders for yourself, or automate these updates to ensure you're always protected. Now, let's focus on your team. Employee training is vital in the fight against cyber threats. Your staff needs to know how to spot phishing attempts and understand the importance of data security. Conduct regular training sessions and simulate phishing attacks to keep your team sharp and informed. Moving on to data backup. A reliable backup solution is essential for business continuity. In case of a cyber attack or data loss, you want to ensure that your critical information is secure and easily recoverable. Schedule regular backups and store your data in a secure location, whether that's the cloud or an external hard drive. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, consider partnering with a trusted IT security provider. If managing cybersecurity feels overwhelming, an experienced managed services provider can help. They offer proactive monitoring and support, ensuring your business is always protected against threats. Don't wait until an attack happens. Take action now. To wrap it up, implementing these 5 essential cybersecurity practices can significantly reduce your risk and protect your business from costly breaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow business owners. For more tips and resources, check out the link to our blog post in the description below. Stay safe online and see you next time.